What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode where you show me how you theme your droid. Now as usual, I'm going to start things off by saying thanks to everyone that submitted their setup last week. I really appreciated it. And the top two setups from last week are Eduardo and Marlon. If you guys want that Substratum Atom key for your Samsung devices, let me know in the comment sections down below. Now another reminder guys, if you want to share your setups, then information on how to do so is in the description box down below. And remember, at any time throughout this video, you can vote for your favorite setup by clicking the cards on the screen up top. So that's enough business, let's jump into today's video. Now the first submission is from Julian. This is a single page setup. It's a red and black setup as you can see, and to achieve this look, he's using a custom live wallpaper app. I gotta say, this home screen looks very neat. I love the colors used here. It's not only red and black, but it seems to have a bit of yellow gold accent to it to make things pop even that much more. Now the icon pack that he's using here is a Sagon icon pack. I love the use of the wallpaper and how it's only half the screen, making everything look that much more organized. At the top he has a time and date as well as a camera icon for easy access. Now there's a little menu icon there which when he clicks on it, it slides out some settings menu. As you can see here, it has a phone, battery, storage and custom settings, all with quick access. It's pretty genius and unique if you ask me. Now at the bottom he adds a section for some of his favorite apps. Now I do like when users do this because to me it seems way more practical, and I like a minimalistic setup just like anybody else, but we do use a bunch of the same apps every day, so having a bunch on the home screen just for easy access to me is the way to go. Now, this entire setup is actually one big preset. As I mentioned before, he did this with the KLWP app, and this particular preset was built by a Martin Dsouza. You can find him over at Google+. He does very good stuff. Definitely give him a follow over on there. As well as he also has a bunch more presets on the Play Store. I'll drop a link for that in the description box down below as well. Thanks for your submission, Julian. I really appreciate it. Now, next up we have Kevin with another single screen setup on his Nexus 5. Now, this one has a very dark, old school mafia feel to it. Kevin also used the KLWP app for his home screen as well. Now, he did say everything here was made custom by him, excluding the weather widget. Now, he doesn't remember the name of this or where he got it from, so if you guys know, let me know in the comment sections down below. Now I do like this setup as well. It's pretty minimalistic, not much going on. I like the weather widget. I think it fits in nicely with the old school vibe. Now the font on the weather widget here kind of reminds me of an old typewriter style font. I do like that. I think it complements the black and white wallpaper quite nicely. Now it also has a battery widget as well. Now there's some difference between the battery widget and the weather widget. For the weather widget, it looks a bit raised, and the battery widget, it looks a bit pressed in. So there is a bit of contrast here, and to me it doesn't look bad at all. Clean and simple setup, Kevin. Thanks for submitting. Now third up is Ryan, taking a step away from all that dark theme and bringing us something colorful on his LG V20. Now I do like the wallpaper here. Blue is my favorite color, and I do like landscape photography when it comes to wallpapers. To me it makes the setup look more alive, and I do like that. Now to achieve this look, Ryan is using the Nova launcher. He set a custom DPI to 500 using ADB commands. Pretty fancy. His desktop grid is 10:6, and his icon, he says, is set to 115%. Now he made his icon labels as small as possible width, so a lot of customization going on with this setup, alright? Now he does have a date and time widget at the top here. There's also a Zooper widget created by Laughlin, and you can give him a follow over on Google+ as well. He also has a lot of great stuff over on his page. The icon pack used here is the Aspire US icons. Very simple yet visually appealing setup here, Ryan. Thanks for entering. Now the next setup comes from Sebastian with a very metallic looking theme. The name of this theme is called 5VR Silver 025 UI. It's a mouthful. And it's a custom theme made with the KLWP app by Sebastian himself. He has tons of KLWP presets in the Play Store. As usual guys, links will be in the description box down below. Now this is our first multi-screen setup for this episode. It has 4 screens including the home screen. Now the first screen is pretty basic with just a clock and a banner with the name of his profile. I'm assuming maybe you can edit this some way. The next screen up is a news screen. Now here I think the concept of this layout is pretty nice. However, I think he should have used a different color here, as the text is barely visible as it's using the same color style as the whole overall setup, which to me kind of doesn't really work. It does need some contrast to be able to see it very well. Now the other 2 pages are maps and music. As I said before guys, I do like this layout. I do like the whole circle thing in the middle with all the little bits around it. Overall, this theme looks very futuristic, maybe slightly robotic. I don't know, maybe that's the look he's going for. I mean, I do like the concept, as I said before, guys. The only thing I changed is probably the font, as I said before, the color, maybe the style of it. Now, I also like the navigation keys here at the bottom. It blends in very nicely with the overall aesthetic. Pretty cool theme, Sebastian. Thanks for entering. Now the final setup here is from my friend Brad, and for this one it's a bit different. What he did was send in a video clip of his setup, so let's take a watch.
Hey Sam, this is my setup. So I got Nova Launcher with the Google Now companion, so that works. Month calendar widget, few icons, got gestures to get to the app drawer. These are all the apps. Hashtag memory gain. Still have memory to spare, so you know, a little bit of what's on my phone. There's that. Let me go to my icon packs. So I have Pixel Icon Pack and Pixel IP. I use both those icon packs. Nova Launcher Prime. Shouts out to Nova Launcher. So let's see my grid size. So 12 by 12. And then let's see what's going on with my app drawer. Look at my app drawer grid. 5 by 6. And yeah, everything's dark themed.
Now for Brad's setup, I do like it. I do especially like the wallpaper, pretty motivational. It's a very simple setup. I guess he's going for a minimalistic look. Now the only thing I changed for this setup is the app icons at the bottom. To me, they're a bit bunched up to one side. What I do is space it out more to be a little bit more level. But apart from that, it was pretty okay. Brad, thanks for entering. I do appreciate it. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for me in today's video. I do hope you like these setups. If you did, let me know by smashing that thumbs up button down below. And go ahead, remember to vote for your favorite setups in the card up top. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead, click the button below for more videos like this each and every week. As always guys, my name is Duckcoin. You guys stay awesome and I'll catch you in the next one. Zine.